Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
Weird microwave sounds usually don't cause error codes, but they can signal problems like a damaged magnetron or faulty turntable motor. Buzzing or popping noises should never be ignored, as they might lead to breakdowns over time. If your microwave makes strange sounds, get it checked to avoid unexpected failures.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.